Hi, so we are now arriving at Font de Comabella and we have done 86 kilometers. The journey so far was quite smooth, but we are now heading toward the 2,700 meters elevation slope. It's going to be quite difficult, but this is what we are here for. See you later. We just came out of the Refugi del Coma de Pimes, where drinks are provided, before climbing until reaching the Pic Negre, where amazing landscapes await us, especially the Vall del Madriu and the rest of Andorra. So we are now at Pic Negre. We just climbed 1,300 meters elevation gain. We will now get on the crest until reaching the Col de la Caulla. And then we will go back through Prat Primer, Claro, and finally the Madriu Valley, listed at a UNESCO World Heritage Site. An opportunity to enjoy life in the mountains. Come on, man! Here we are at Beaumort Pass. On the left side, we see Prat Primer, and on the right one, Claro, where we head. A refreshment point is awaiting us there before we continue our journey to Madriu Valley. We can see up there the Pic Negre, where we were an hour and a half ago. We have done 104 kilometers and we have some more kilometers left until getting to Odino's party. Here we go. Bye bye. Mayana Pass. Here we are. We have just passed Perafita, and we are now at the 110th kilometer of the Ronda del Cims, and we'll now go down to the Estal Serré, 2 kilometers away from here, before crossing the Madriu Valley towards Lilia. We can see the Val Sibera on the background. We go to the Ilia, where a gourmet refreshment is set by our extraordinary volunteers. Let's go! We are at the Estal Serré here, 112 kilometers of race, and we are now going to go up the Val del Madriu towards Lilia. I'm now going to say goodbye to my two great friends, Jordi Rossell and Raúl Calvo, and finish this on my own. Ciao!